everybody, welcome back to another cooking video with Spoon with Wings. Today we are going to make one of my favorite non-veg dish, Bhoot Jolokia with bamboo shoot gahori. As usual, let's start with the ingredients: onions, tomatoes, ginger and garlic, fresh pork, dry chilies and green chilies, bamboo shoot, and don't forget the Bhoot Jolokia. Put the pork pieces in the garam kadai. Pork pieces which have both meat and fat give a better taste. Add some dry chilies on the pork and stir. Lidding. Look at the vapor coming out from the pork, producing water droplets. By the meantime, let's make a ginger and garlic paste. You can chop it up if you want. Now our paste is ready. Let's open the lid and add some salt. Swad anusar. As winter is coming, we are going to make Laidia pork. Stay tuned for that video. Time to add the grinded paste. Let's add our chopped red tomatoes. It's time for our showstoppers, a bamboo shoot and Bhoot Jolokia. Bhoot Jolokia has secured its title in the Guinness Book of World Records as the spiciest chili in the world. Bamboo shoot is self-fermented. It helps in better digestion and many more. Some people do not like the smell of this. But when you combine bamboo shoot, king chili and pork, it's the best. A tablespoon of turmeric powder, out the dried chilies. We will use this a bit later. Now let's add our chopped onions. Let's smash our dry chilies and add them to our pork. Did you notice that we didn't add any oil today? Because the pork has oil which comes out while the cooking process. When the oil is separated, add some water and let it boil. The pork should be soft and then it's ready to serve. Now our Bhoot Jolokia, our bamboo shoot gahori is ready. Hope you liked this video. Be sure to like, share, comment below and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. See ya! Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Spoons and Wings. Delete this.